Good day. We are here at the International Cultural Diversity Festival, where we aim to promote the unification of different cultures across all borders. How will we be doing this, you wonder? Well, we'll be doing this through music, fashion, art, and food. I think I'm ready to just eat all of the different foods from all the nations, so let's just go. So what was the inspiration behind this entire event?
Inspiration around this event. So the cultural festival is something that happens around the world, whereby you find that food, fashion, music, handicrafts are at the forefront of such festivals. And that is exactly where we got our inspiration from. And we're like, you know what, we're running with it. It's something that has never happened in the UFS. Might as well bring it as the International Office for Affairs. Yeah, Office for International Affairs. Yes.
What kind of food did you guys have at the store just now?
Okay, so in terms of the food, we try to showcase some of the local cuisines of our students from the African continent. So we had some food from Nigeria, we had some food from Lesotho, we had some food from South Africa, we had some food from Nigeria, we had food from Swaziland.
So what's the inspiration behind this store?
So we do everything African, regardless of where it's from, which country. We have from Malawi, we get fabrics from Malawi and we cover them with the fabric, the buttons.
So what normally inspires you when you make where do you go for inspiration when you want to paint something?
My aim, I just want to people see what I do, and then so they can also do what I do. That's my inspiration to other people.
So please tell me more about your store.
Okay, our brand name is the House of Diva. So we do ready-made clothing for ladies. That's why we call it Diva, because it gives you the magical feeling of being an African woman. We cater for all sizes because we know that half the time you will go into a shop and our hips are not catered for. Hence our dresses, most of them are open in terms of the make.
What is the inspiration behind, do you design them yourself, and what's the inspiration behind each design?
Oh no, the person that designs them is my sister, Piwasa Ngumalo. We call her the chief magician. The reason why we call her chief magician is because she does the things that make you feel magical. So we say, own your magic, be that light, don't want to fit in, but stand out in a crowd.
The event today really brought different countries and cultures closer together. My favorite part was the food. It really felt like my tongue went from Lesotho to Lagos. Now that's it from us today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.